Tesla looks weaker on the surface right now. US sales are down. Cybertruck features are delayed. Headlines feel negative. But here's the conclusion up front. Tesla is not slowing down. Tesla is changing what it is. And if you understand this shift early, you'll see why the next phase matters far more than monthly delivery numbers. Hi, this is Ken. If you're a Tesla investor or long-term believer, this video is for you. Not to recap news, but to connect the dots. By the end, you'll understand why Tesla is extending warranties, why it's rebuilding charging UX in 3D, why satellite connectivity suddenly matters, and why delays like Cybertruck PowerShare are actually signals, not failures. This is about Tesla's strategic direction, not today's noise. Let's quickly ground ourselves. US Tesla sales dropped year over year. Tesla rolled out extended battery and drive unit warranties. Supercharger locations now have 3D site maps. A recent patent hints at satellite connectivity via Starlink, and Cybertruck's PowerShare with Powerwall is delayed until mid-2026. 5 stories. At first glance, they seem unrelated. They're not. To understand Tesla today, we have to stop asking, how many cars did they sell this month? And start asking, what kind of company is Tesla becoming? Start with the warranty extension. Traditional automakers avoid long warranties because they're liabilities. Tesla is doing the opposite. Extending battery and drive unit coverage tells us 2 things. First, Tesla is confident in durability. Second, Tesla expects these vehicles to stay in service far longer than normal cars. That only makes sense if the vehicle itself becomes more valuable over time. Now look at superchargers. The 3D maps aren't about visuals. They're about removing friction when humans aren't driving. If a robotaxi pulls into a charging site, it can't guess where to go. It needs certainty. This UI changes infrastructure, not decoration. Now layer in connectivity. Tesla's recent patent doesn't mention Starlink by name. It doesn't have to. RF transparent roofs, integrated antennas, satellite-ready design. This is about eliminating dead zones. FSD, Robotaxis, remote fleet management. None of these work reliably without constant connectivity. Tesla isn't adding features, it's removing constraints. And this is where most analysts miss the point, which brings us to Cybertruck. And this is where frustration turns into insight. Cybertruck PowerShare with Powerwall is delayed. Many see this as a failure. Here's the unexpected truth. Tesla already knows how to do vehicle-to-load power. That part is easy. What's hard is making a car, a home battery, solar, and the grid behave like a single system. This delay isn't technical weakness, it's system-level ambition. Most automakers stop at the car. Tesla refuses to. For investors, this changes the evaluation framework. If you value Tesla like a car company, sales drops look catastrophic. If you value Tesla like an infrastructure platform, these moves look preparatory. Longer warranties, lower lifetime cost of ownership. 3D charging reduces operational friction. Satellite connectivity expands usable geography. Energy integration creates recurring value. These are not quarterly optimizations, they're decade-scale positioning. So the real question isn't, is Tesla struggling right now? It's something deeper. What happens when cars last longer, drive themselves, charge autonomously, stay connected anywhere, and integrate with home energy? At that point, Tesla stops competing with automakers. It competes with utilities, logistics platforms, and mobility networks. This is why Elon Musk keeps saying Tesla is an AI and energy company. The car is just the interface. Here's the calm conclusion. Tesla is intentionally absorbing short-term pain to build long-term leverage. Sales cycles fluctuate, infrastructure compounds. If you're a long-term investor, the question isn't whether Tesla sells more cars next quarter. The question is whether Tesla is building something harder to replace every year. From what we see right now, the answer is yes. If this perspective helped you see Tesla differently, take a moment to reflect on how you personally value the company, as a car maker or as a platform. In the next video, we'll look at how Wall Street is still mispricing this transition and what that could mean going forward. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Before we wrap up, let me take a moment to introduce myself. I drive a Tesla Model Y, and at home, I've installed a Tesla Powerwall, so I actually charge my car with solar energy. I truly believe Tesla is shaping the future, and that's why I share the latest news and insights here on this channel. I'm from Japan, but I want to connect with Tesla fans all around the world. That's why I also create an English version of my videos. YouTube now lets you switch the audio into your own language, so you can enjoy it in whatever language you prefer. Most of all, I'd love to connect with Tesla fans everywhere so we can support Tesla together. I also share updates on X, so feel free to follow me there and let's connect. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.